Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Alright guys, today I'm gonna share my Polygon chart link for you guys to check the price action whenever you need to do that. I'm also going to explain what's in it, and I left a comment in it in case you forget what those drawings are. Okay, so let's start with the moving lines. The yellow line is the 50 EMA, the orange line is the 200 EMA, the red line is the anchored VWAP, the green line is also an anchored VWAP. The reason why we have the 50 and the 200 EMA is very simple. It's because everybody on the street is using it. The reason I have this green VWAP is to identify the buy pressure range. So if the candles are below the green line, that means that the price is below the fair price. If you go back in time and check, you would see that whenever the candles are below the VWAP, the price tends to move up. Same for the red VWAP here. So whenever the price is above this line, it tends to go down. And actually, this is what the fund managers and portfolio managers uses for their trading. So this white shift pitchfork is for the long time frame. So it would take months before updating the anchors of the fork. This green fork is for the medium term time frame, and it could take days before the price break from this range. The red fork is for the small time frame, so it could take a couple of days and sometimes even a day in order to break from this range. So we always need to keep an eye on this red fork. The purple lines are a simple fib retracement. So I'll put a message on the channel page whenever I make a change to the chart. The only thing that I ask in return is to please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and give me your feedback on the comment section. I'll do more videos on the trades I took and do an analysis on them so you guys understand why I took those entries and why I exited my positions. Alright, that's it guys. So you will find the link on the comment section.